Hi, my name's Rich. I've had some brickwork done, or needed some brickwork done. I'm going to show you some videos. We had a pier company come in, and they made more, just a lot more cracks than what it was, wider cracks. We had cracks over the archway. And it's funny to me that the guy that said, oh, yeah, my son does masonry work, and it's a leading company here in Oklahoma, and he'll be happy to do that. He estimated, I thought, wow, that's a lot of money. But so I called them and called them again and called them again, and they said, well, we'll try to get it. We're really busy right now. Well, I understand that. So she finally said, well, send some pictures out and we'll give you an estimate. I'm thinking, does this make sense? So I sent some pictures out, and they gave me several thousands of dollars what it would cost to build that. Now I have an archway. I've had several people come over to give me estimates, and the archway, everyone said that the archway is a headache. It can crack again and stuff like that. So I had Hill Custom Masonry come over and give me an estimate. And he's been in there for at least 10 years, if not more, doing this type of stuff, and mailboxes and all sorts of brick work. And I looked at some of the pictures. It looked like he does great work. So I thought I'd take a video before and after what he's did. And I would highly recommend Hill Custom Masonry. I'll put his telephone number. Rusty did a great job. And don't get ripped off by some of these other guys. I tell you what, this is just amazing. All right, well, let's go on over to the video. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is Rich, and I was just looking at this crack here. I'm not sure you can see it. This is a new crack. We had the foundation piers put in, and when they did it, the crack up here just became larger and wider. So we're gonna have to get this whole thing replaced over here. You can see it dropping down, maybe from the ceiling, or whatever you call that. Also, right in this area here, as it's gotten larger, as you can see. They tried to patch that before we moved here 10 years ago. I think when they tried to put the piers in, they must have done some things here and just messed it up royally. So anyway, this is before. Okay, we had Hill Masonry brick people come in, and we had a lot of people say, well, if you have that radius or arch, he says that they have a tendency to crack. So he said the best thing to do is just put it straight across like that. And they were able to put that center concrete thing back in that was on the old one. But I thought they did a really good job and saved a lot of money by going to these people. Let's go up here and look a little closer. What they did is they put some metal right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right underneath the brick for support. Sort of angle iron. And it angles, I guess, right in the middle of that. As you can see, this was all cracked coming down here. And they put some new brick up to match our old brick. Looks great. And then it comes around here into this side, and it also looks really good. They did a good job matching the brick, and also replacing this, and they hauled everything off, washed everything down. They put tarp and things like this down on the sidewalk in case, I guess, they had any concrete or whatever, and got rid of all the bricks and hauled them off. Saved us a lot of money. They did a great job.